Welcome to Sigma Equipment. Today's cycle test includes a Patterson Kelley 2 cubic foot V-blender. This particular machine is operating on a 480 volt system 3-phase. This type of blender is commonly used to mix powder materials. Because there are no blades, there is minimal reduction in particle size. The V-blender rotates and tumbles, causing the ingredients to free fall and create a homogenized mixture. This specific unit comes with an intensifier bar to break up clumps of product. The control panel allows an operator to control RPMs for both the blender shell as well as the intensifier bar. The blender can also be set to continuously rotate or can be jogged by an operator. Product enters through the 2 in-feed ports. Once product is loaded into the blender, the in-feed ports are closed and rotation begins. Depending on the type of product that is being blended, different speeds and durations can be used to create a homogeneous blend. Once product has been blended, an operator stops the rotation and uses the manual butterfly valve to discharge the product. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. To learn more about V-blenders and other equipment, please visit us at sigmaequipment.com.